Hey, what's up everybody?
Hey!
Welcome to today's Best Buy Teen Tech Talk. I'm Jay.
I'm Isaac.
And today we're going to show you a pretty interesting reaction about how to make hydrogen.
Yeah!
It's pretty easy to do with homemade simple tools. All you need is some zinc, all you need is something to mix it in, all you need is something to collect it with, and you need the muriatic acid, that's also known as hydrochloric acid. So, today I'm going to talk a little bit about what zinc chloride and hydrogen gas are, and then how you make them, and then finally get into actually doing it. So what the heck is zinc chloride? Well, it's a basic salt, and actually all it's really used for is just PCB etching. There's really not much to it. What's hydrogen gas? Well, I don't know if you've heard of the Hindenburg catastrophe. That was what they used to put blimps in. They used to fill it with hydrogen gas, and they found out that it's really flammable and explosive. They found that out the hard way, so now we use helium because it's much more cost effective and less dangerous. But today, we're going to be actually doing something a little bit dangerous because, let's face it, hydrogen's cool, it's number one on the periodic table, and everything comes from it. So I think we should do that first.
Oh, rockets run on hydrogen as well?
Yes, and rockets do run on hydrogen. Hydrogen fuel and a liquid mixture that we call hydrazine, which maybe in a future video I'll teach you how to make. Woo. Here's the balanced equation. Zinc chloride plus 2 moles of hydrochloric acid react to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. If you've never taken chemistry class, you won't understand what I'm talking about, and you probably just want to see something go boom. So we'll just move into that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to move over here and have my assistant Isaac show you guys how to do it. So the first step in any scientific endeavor, short of actually discovering it and thinking about it and doing all that grueling work, is gather all your materials. Next step is to cut the zinc into tiny pieces, which Isaac here will demonstrate for you.
Technically, if I do it, I go by strips and then cut them into small pieces.
Technically, we go by strips and we cut it into pieces. So as he's doing that, what he's doing is he's cutting and reducing the surface area. That way, when we do pour in the acid, all of the acid will be able to dissolve all of the different smaller parts easier than it would a larger part. That'll help for a faster reaction. And to be honest, I just tried to make that sound more scientific than it needed to be. The flask just won't fit, so it needs to be small pieces so we can get the reaction going.
Yeah, okay.
I had to be honest. That moves us to our next step, the third one. Put the pieces into the flask.
Sometimes it might need
Hey, you got the same spoon.
Good, I have like 2 of them.
No, should I got it? It's quite a lot of zinc.
Yeah.
Isaac, it's a lot of zinc.
It's your fault.
It's a lot of zinc. The more zinc you add and the more acid you add, the more vigorous, hot, and exothermic your reaction. And what do I mean when I say exothermic? I mean it produces a lot of heat. Like a lot. Like this will burn the living daylights out of you. But it's okay, because it's not daylight. Moving to our next, I will actually do this part. Moving to the next and important step is you pour the acid in and wait for a reaction. Now,
This is the scary part.
this is muriatic acid. This is the common name for it. You can pick this up at any hardware store. I got this from Clendon's, but you can also get it from Lowe's, Home Depot, and all sorts of things. Muriatic acid reacts with metals to form a metal salt and release hydrogen gas. And for the purposes of this reaction, that's what we're going for. The leftover liquid that'll be in here, this will be a solution of zinc chloride, but we're interested in the gas produced. So I'm going to pour in the muriatic acid.
Just whatever you do, don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Will you hold this for me?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I won't pour it on you.
Oh, you poured it on me!
There's no acid burns! So, as you can tell, when I start to pour it, it'll react quickly and start to produce a lot of hydrogen gas. There needs to be more hydrogen gas. Actually, there needs to be a lot. Okay, that's actually too much. But,
Great job!
as you can tell, it's producing quite a lot of hydrogen gas.
And we're going to put the balloon on it.
And we put our balloon to capture this gas. Now the thing about hydrogen, as I told you before, it is extremely reactive with oxygen, it's extremely explosive, it's extremely flammable. Why the heck am I doing this in an enclosed environment? Well, as long as there's no flame produced anywhere, we're totally fine. If
What
there
happens
is,
if it blows up in here?
it won't blow up. It's not likely to, and if it does, well, I guess we don't have bloopers anymore then. Because there'd be no camera to see it on. So basically what I'm doing is I'm capturing this, and it's not pure hydrogen, it's also a mixture of hydrochloric acid vapors, and those are the more dangerous aspects of this, but that's okay because it's mostly contained in here.
Mostly.
So, I kind of skipped over the last and final step, but this is the last and final step. Collect your gas produced in this vessel. Now balloons are not exactly the best kind of receptacle when you're trying to capture gases.
We've tried bottles, we tried a lot of things. When we did our bottle, my shoe caught on fire.
He's not lying.
That was a sad day for my shoe. It is not
Is it me or is this a bigger balloon than I've ever produced?
probably a bigger balloon than you ever produced. We should probably take it off. It could explode. Yeah.
Well, this is news to me. I've actually never made a hydrogen balloon this big out of here, and
Dude, Jake, oh my god.
Oh god.
Just.
well, that's science. You learn something new every day. So I'm gonna take this highly explosive flammable gas out of here while it's growing now. So goodbye. I'm glad you all learned a good lesson. Goodbye. Don't ever make hydrogen at home again. Turn it off. Turn it off the door. Wait, why is it so good? Isaac, I've never.
What are you doing?
Take that flask. Grab the flask. Grab it.
Let's go! Yeah. What do I do?
Just grab the flask. Just grab it. Just grab it. Just move it.
Oh, it's that. Oh god. Sorry.
And we're on camera. So he said, truck over there. But, so what's happening? As you can tell right here, here, hold this balloon bomb. Now, as you can see this, if you zoom in,
Oh god.
remember when I had pure metal pieces? Well, now it's all black. That is the result of the acid dissolving the zinc metal. This is what would happen to your bones and arms if it touched you.
My gloves burnt. If you can see that. There's like a brown part on it.
Nice.
So thank you, everyone.
Here's the balloon.
We're in. So, we're back. We've made the hydrogen. It's actually still pretty buoyant. Show them real quick how much it still rises.
if I drop this in midair,
It won't. Yeah, it still rises very fast, which pretty much means
We need a
there's
rock.
We need a rock. There's a lot of hydrogen in there. We need a heavier rock.
And it's gonna make a loud bang.
Fairly loud.
Are you sure?
What about that? So right now we're looking for something sturdy that'll.
What about my foot?
What about this boulder?
Yeah, my foot.
Conveniently placed right here. How convenient! We found a boulder.
Are we gonna do it here?
Hey there.
Watch it pop right when you drop it.
It's the torch.
Oh, don't say that. It would be so sad. All right, can you put the balloon right here?
Okay.
It won't make a big change because the floor is wet.
I just don't want it to fly.
What's the predators?
This boulder is just weird.
We are trying so hard for this one.
Yeah, it's just really like it's trying to find the base. It's so
Why don't you guys tie it?
it just hold. It's weirdly
Ooh! Jay,
Found it.
Jay,
Ooh, almost like that.
Jay.
Yeah.
Don't touch it! Don't touch the ground.
If how is it? Why don't you tie it and like so it will be floating, and you tie and you put the string under the stuff so it will be floating, and you will like, boom.
Yeah, can we just like tie a string?
I don't
to
have a
something?
string.
Oh,
Hey, Jake.
I don't have a string though.
no friends.
Whoa! I almost lost it. I don't have a string. What are we gonna?
Hold the balloon. I think I found it.
Oh wait, I do have a string. Just hold the balloon.
Dang it, bro.
I have a string.
Where are we gonna tie it?
Easy. I have like really thin yarn, and we can just make a long string.
No, where are we gonna tag it? Hey, we're back.
I'm gonna back up.
Then I'll
Okay, Francisco.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna back up too.
Ah!
Fail.
What is that?
So I put alcohol on this.
Stick?
Yeah, just to make sure I can still get some kind of flame. All you need is one smoke. Darn! This is too hard to do when it's in the midair. That's why I do the rock.
Okay,
It's like,
zip. It's down for you.
Oh gosh, guys.
Okay, if I burn on fire, I'll blame everyone. It's still burning.
You need more?
Where did you get that stick? Is that a bull stick?
No, that's a.
Lance got him that
it's
stick.
like, it's sharp. I sharpened this, so
Just for
it's just
the
hard,
love of
to,
God.
Look.
it's hard to keep the pot in there.
I'm gonna stand back.
Hey everybody.
Hey, you should.
This is a complete fail. This is so bad.
So what?
Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Look at it, you want to see it. Yeah, I got it.
That's how we work here.
That was the perfect time. She's like, this is a complete film. I'm like,
Like mine hit chest. Like,
Did
like
you feel the
I
rush?
felt like
I felt that
the
in my leg.
adrenaline rush.
Did you
It
guys
was
feel it?
hard.
Yes, my hydrogen works. My hydrogen.
Hey, should I stop recording?
Yes.
So that was a successful adventure. Thank you for tuning in to Best Buy Teen Tech Talk. We'll see you next time. Hey guys. So welcome to today's Teen Tech Talks. I'm Isaac. I'm not Isaac. It's not daylight. It's raining. So
No, it's not, dude. It's sunny out. Well, it's not
We're
raining.
too spastic to be on camera. We're talking about daylight. So
Why don't you smile at the camera? Nice.
What?
So your says morph suit.
Why are you looking at my butt?
It says it has the brand on it.
I know.
It's weird to find
Weird.
the.
Why
Find-
are you recording my butt?
I'm not recording your butt. But if I was, that would be really creepy.
Oh, magic! Magic!
You're back.